Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt your legs getting weaker when you stand up? Or your arms not as strong as they used to be? Maybe you've noticed carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or even getting out of a chair feels harder these days. Most people think, well, that's just old age. But here's the truth. You don't have to accept weakness as normal. Your body is amazing. Even after 60, 70, or 80, it can still build muscle, get stronger, and give you more energy. The secret is giving your body the right fuel, especially protein. And today, I'll share 4 simple plant-based protein foods that are affordable, gentle on the stomach, and can help bring back strength and confidence. Stay with me till the very end because I'll also give you a bonus section with easy recipe ideas for each of these foods, so you'll know exactly how to use them in your meals. Let's get started. Number 4. Chickpeas, the everyday strength builder. Chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans, are small but powerful. 1 cup gives you around 15 grams of protein, which is excellent for muscle support. But that's not all. They also have lots of fiber, which keeps your digestion smooth and your blood sugar steady. That means more energy and fewer tired spells during the day. They're so versatile. You can add them to soups or stews, toss them into salads, or mash them into hummus. Hummus with a bit of olive oil and lemon makes a delicious spread for bread or crackers. Number 3. Quinoa, the ancient grain of strength. Quinoa is sometimes called a super grain, but it's actually a seed. And it's special because it contains all the essential amino acids your muscles need. That makes it a complete protein, which is rare in plant foods. 1 cup of cooked quinoa has about 8 grams of protein. It also has magnesium and iron, which help with energy and circulation. And the best part? It's gluten-free and very easy to digest. You can use quinoa instead of rice, mix it into salads, or even eat it as a warm porridge in the morning. It's light, filling, and gentle on your stomach. Number 2. Tofu. Soft, simple, and good for your bones. Tofu is made from soybeans, and it's one of the easiest ways to get plant protein. Half a block of tofu gives you about 20 grams of protein. That's a lot. It also contains calcium, which helps keep your bones strong as you age. The texture is soft, so it's very easy to chew and digest. Tofu doesn't have a strong taste, so it takes on the flavor of whatever you cook it with. You can stir-fry it with vegetables, add it to soups, or bake it with a little soy sauce and garlic. It's simple, comforting, and nourishing. Number 1. Pumpkin seeds, the crunchy protein snack. Now let's talk about one of the easiest and most powerful plant proteins, pumpkin seeds. Just a small handful, about a 1/4 cup, gives you 7 grams of protein. They're also rich in magnesium, which relaxes your muscles and helps improve sleep. For seniors, that's a double benefit: strength by day, rest by night. You can eat them raw, roasted, or sprinkled on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. They're crunchy, tasty, and so easy to add to your meals. Now, before we wrap up, here's a little bonus for you. You've just learned about 4 of the best plant proteins: chickpeas, quinoa, tofu, and pumpkin seeds. But the real magic happens when you combine them into simple, tasty meals that you can enjoy every day. Here are a few easy ideas you can try at home. Hearty chickpea soup. Take a can of chickpeas, just rinse them well, add them to a pot with carrots, onions, and celery. Pour in some vegetable broth, add garlic and a pinch of turmeric, then let it simmer. You'll get a warm, comforting soup full of protein and fiber that's gentle on the stomach and keeps you full. Colorful quinoa salad. Cook a cup of quinoa and let it cool. Mix in chopped cucumber, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Add a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of olive oil. It's light, refreshing, and packed with protein to fuel your muscles. Tofu stir-fry. Slice firm tofu into cubes and pan-fry them until golden. Toss in some broccoli, carrots, and a little low-sodium soy sauce or garlic sauce. In less than 15 minutes, you've got a delicious, protein-rich meal that tastes great with brown rice or quinoa. Pumpkin seed power oatmeal. Start your morning with a warm bowl of oatmeal. Sprinkle a handful of pumpkin seeds on top, along with sliced bananas or berries. The seeds give you protein, magnesium, and crunch, perfect for steady energy through the day. And here's a fun tip, you can even combine these foods for extra strength. For example, sprinkle pumpkin seeds on your quinoa salad or add chickpeas to your tofu stir-fry. That way, your body gets a complete mix of amino acids, the true building blocks of strong muscles. So there you have it, 4 powerful plant proteins to help you stay strong after 60. Chickpeas for steady energy. Quinoa for complete muscle fuel. Tofu for bones and easy digestion. Pumpkin seeds for strength and better sleep. You don't need complicated diets or expensive supplements. These everyday plant foods can help keep your muscles strong, your energy steady, and your independence alive. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which one of these will you try first? Chickpeas in a soup? Quinoa instead of rice? Or maybe a handful of pumpkin seeds as a snack? Remember, your body still has the power to grow stronger. Every meal is a chance to feed that strength. Here's to eating well, staying strong, and enjoying life at every age.